Well, we've caught up with Mark Pulowski from the Jet Ski Centre here in Newcastle. Mark, welcome to MXTV.
Thanks for having me, Brendan.
Mate, right in front of us is the brand new SXR 1500 jet ski from Kawasaki. Tell us a little bit about this baby.
Well, Kawasaki's taken everything good about the stand-up principle of jet skiing and brought it back in a whole new shell, new package. We have a 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower engine. So we've got double the horsepower of what we had previously in an all-new shape and design with all the great features, great for the learner, the experienced rider and the racer alike.
4-stroke's a bit of a revolution for stand-up jet skis, isn't it?
Yeah, in the stand-up market, yeah, it's the first of the market to have the 4-stroke, especially with a 4-cylinder engine, and we're in the future now.
For the bike guys out there, this is really revolutionary. 160 horsepower, that's a lot of horsepower to be behind a jet ski, mate.
Yeah, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, so plenty of torque, plenty of power with that 160. Yep. They do some great speeds and they're a really fun thing to ride.
Very simple too, which I like. There's just stop, start and go, basically.
Yeah, still the same old basic features, stop, start and lanyard. It's what make jet skiing simple and great, and we still got it. It's just come back and with a new package.
And Lee was saying before too, it's a great crossover from motocross to jet skiing. You still get that sensation of a bit of a dirt bike feeling almost, don't you, when you're riding them?
Me being a dirt bike fan myself, it's a great crossover. Fall off, you don't get hurt. But a great unit in respect that, you know, gives you the skill and balance, and it's still a very physical thing to ride.
Personally, I don't like getting out on a dirt bike when it's 38 degrees or even 30 degrees now, but these things are perfect to get out and have a bit of fun on, aren't they?
Oh, it'd be awesome to have a dirt bike track in your backyard and a dam next to it, but the jet ski is a great pastime and a great crossover thing that young, old, man, woman, anyone can have a ride and have some fun. We've got a bigger tray, a bigger hull. Obviously with the increased speed and performance, we need that little bit of bigger handling, and it just makes the boat safe, easy and fun to turn.
How does this perform against the 2-strokes?
It's pretty much put the 2-strokes to bed.
Really?
Yeah, 4-stroke is the future. The performance and the ability to get that platform and that level is quite easy now, and it's easy to ride on Monday and you can race it on Sunday.
Really? That's amazing. So when we're talking about racing with these, it's quite an easy thing to transition it to a racing jet ski as well, is it?
Yeah, you can do limited modifications and it gets you in a stock class legal type category.
Yep.
And it makes it very good and fun to ride, a lot more performance, and yet the reliability is still very plateaued, and it's good to just socially ride on as well. Servicing's at a set interval rate every 50 hours. Pretty basic for servicing. We don't have a lot of wear parts on the jet ski as opposed to our motocross brothers and friends.
Wow. Yep.
So they're quite user friendly, just basically fuel.
Wow. And of course you've got to flush them if you go into salt water as well, don't you?
Yeah, we have a flushing port at the front. It's very easy to take home. We're at the boat ramp and flush your jet ski.
Yep. 5
minutes suds and put it to bed.
It sounds like they're bulletproof. Sounds like there's not a lot of maintenance to them. There's a lot of fun that comes with them. You can race them and you can change over from dirt bikes in winter and jet skis in summer.
Yep, no, well that's where my background's from, and yeah, they are. That's 100% right. They are quite a user-friendly, low consumable product.
That's sensational. I think sign me up, mate. You've just sold one too. These look like a real lot of fun, mate. Thank you very much for joining us, and guys, I think it's something to have a look at come summertime. It's certainly a good little option to go out, and you can race them, which is pretty cool.
A great crossover, good thing for motocross guys or dirt bike people that want to do something different, safe, still physical and fun, and give you that sort of motocross style feel.